Hello and welcome to Create with Canva, bite-sized videos that encourage you to take action. I'm Devora Lansky from ShareYourBrilliance.com, and I'll be your tour guide on this journey. In this video, you'll learn how to register for your free Canva.com account. And then we're going to take a tour of the platform. Canva is a fun and they have a free option for creating beautiful graphics that you can use in a wide variety of ways, and it's really easy to use. So in this video series, you're going to discover tips and tricks to make it really easy for you to create your own web graphics and marketing materials. So let's get started. So here we are at canva.com, and the first thing we need to do is register and log in. Now they have a free level and they have a paid level which offers different options. There's a lot you can do with the free level, and you can explore the paid level as you go along to see if it makes sense for you. But I'm going to be demonstrating with the free level in our videos here. So once you have an account and you register, all you need to do is log in. And once you log in, you get to your main dashboard. This is where you'll find templates, which I'm going to show you here today, and where you will find all of the designs that you've created that you have not deleted. As long as you don't delete them, they will show up as you scroll down the page. So one of the things you may be thinking is, how will you be able to easily find your designs? Well, one of the things that Canva offers is folders. Now at the free level, you can get 2 folders. If you want more folders, you can explore the Canva for Work option, which is their paid level. I named my folders My Templates, and I named my second folder Worksheets. In the center, you find a design that you want to keep, and you just drag it. See how I'm holding down the shift key, I'm not letting go. I'm dragging it until one of the folders highlights, and then I just drop it in there. And then when I click on that, there it is. Now to get back to the main design area, you click on this top link at the far left, which says All Your Designs. So then at the top, you have your templates, but that's not all of the templates they have. Do you see this plus at the far right of the screen? You click on that plus, and you're going to see they have a lot of templates to choose from. Marketing materials, social media materials, Etsy, Pinterest, events, ads, and they have lots of examples of these and templates which we'll discover as we go along through our video series. Today's video focuses on setting up your Canva account and getting familiar with this All Designs and Templates area. So let's scroll back up to the top, and I want to show you something. So let's hover over this middle graphic here which says Pinterest. When you hover over it, it's going to show you the dimensions. So I'm just going to enlarge my screen a little bit. So do you see underneath where it says Pinterest graphic, it now says 735 px, which stands for pixels by 1102 px. So that is, they know the dimensions for the Facebook cover, the social media covers, for all of the different types of templates that you might want to use. So that's handy to know. So we can either simply click on one of these templates and get started, or let's say we want to decide on our own canvas dimensions. So what you do, top right where it says Use Custom Dimensions, you click on that, and you'll see it has width and height, and you can choose either pixels, which is a measurement used for graphics, millimeters, or inches. You would use millimeters or inches if you were creating a document for print, for example. So we're going to choose inches, and let's choose, in the US we typically use 8.5 by 11 inches for paper. And let's say I want to create a worksheet. I would then click Design, and it's going to open up the canvas for me, and there's my 8.5 by 11 page. And there's a lot of ways that I can add content to this page, which we'll get to in upcoming videos. So that's in essence how you set up your account and choose your first canvas size. Now when we created this canvas, it opened up a separate screen. So I'm going to go back to the first tab, and I'm just going to show you on the far left, you can explore this area. For example, at this top tab, all your designs are your templates that you can choose from and designs that you create. You can recreate these, you can copy these and use them over and over again, and we'll get into that more as we go along in our video series. The second tab down is shared with you. You can share images between Canva accounts as long as you have the email address of that person's Canva account or they have your email address. So you can share documents. You can create a team because let's say you work with a graphic designer, etc., or you're collaborating, you can create a team. And then let's click on this Your Brand. Now at the free level, you can choose 3 primary colors. Let me just get rid of these right now so you can see what they look like. So to add colors to your primary palette, and this will save so you can always have access to these, and at the free level you can choose 3 different colors. At the paid level, which they call Canva for Work, you also have other options which you might want to explore. But let me show you how to add your primary colors. You go in here and you can either poke around and find colors that you like, or if you have a color scheme, your graphic designer or you will probably know what they call the hex code. And you just copy the hex code down here where it says color code. For example, I know that there's a certain color blue-red that I like. That is, the hex code is CC0000. And so I would then click off the color wheel, and that would save my first color. Then I would click here, and let's say I just wanted to poke around and find a teal color that I like. Well, once you find a color that you like, you can then drag this bar up to make it lighter or darker. And then you would just click off. And so you would add your branded colors here. If you want to explore branded colors, you can go to different color websites. You can Google color palettes, you can Google hex codes, and have fun exploring those. But this is how you would create your primary palette. And then lastly, for today's video, I'm going to show you this next section where it says Find Templates. And when you click on that, you're going to see that there are a lot of different templates that will give you ideas that you can draw from. Now, as we go along, I'm going to show you that many of the items in Canva are free, and there are also many that you need to pay for. We're not going to get into that in this video, but I do want to let you know that you can use all of these examples for ideas. So if you're creating letterhead or logos or magazine covers or media kits, etc., postcards, you can go through here, business cards, and get ideas. So let's just click on business cards. And you can see lots of ideas to choose from, and there's a search bar. So you can scroll through here and see what catches your eye. And look here, you have sub-menus. So let's say that you're a baker, then you would click on bakery and it would help you pare down the options. So now that we've explored Canva and explored the first page that we get to when we log in, it's time for you to take action. So head on over to canva.com to get started.